Alright guys, this is my 2017 Honda HR-V, and today we are installing these LED lights into the headlamps, and we have to change the old bulbs out first. The way you're going to do that is first by locating where the bulb is, and then behind the bulb you're going to come back here. There's a connector that you have to pull off. Just comes right off. Then it's a rubber plug, also just pulls off. Get that out of the way. On that you have a clip that's onto a hook, so you have to push it down over and then it should release. Move the clip and then the bulb is out. This is one of the best and easiest mods you can do for these cars. Let's take a look at the new LED bulbs. Alright, the bulbs I went with are from Auxito LED. They are the 9003 H4 bulbs, and they are quite nice. The packaging on them looks pretty good. They give you a set of gloves, and the instruction manual actually has good information in it. Alright, here is the new LED bulb. Looks nice, feels pretty good in your hands. Got some branding on the side there. I do like these because they are slotted, so it's a direct fit, and they only fit in one way, so it's really hard to mess up. So to reinstall, you just have to line these slots up, and it just goes right in place like so. Once you get it seated, just push the clip over and hook it back on. Alright, after you get the clip in place, put your rubber seal back over the bulb and push it all the way in. And then just reinstall your connector and you should be good to go. Let's check out the difference. I don't know if the video does it justice, but the difference between these bulbs is night and day. I know Honda had to meet certain price points with this car, but it should have had LED headlights from the factory. The light output is a huge difference, and just the brightness and the whiteness of the color just make the car feel much more modern.